Ever stared at your screen, waiting for that payment processed notification, and wondered, where did my money go? Or maybe you're considering a new bank, and speed is your top priority. If you're pondering the question, does Ally take long to process payments? You're definitely not alone. In today's fast-paced world, we expect instant gratification, especially when it comes to our finances. But the reality of banking transactions is often a bit more complex. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of payment processing, specifically with Ally Bank. We'll explore the various factors that influence transaction speed, from the type of payment to the time of day it's initiated. We'll also dissect the common misconceptions and provide you with a clear understanding of what to expect when dealing with Ally's payment system. First, it's crucial to understand that payment processing isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It encompasses a wide range of transactions, each with its own processing timeline. We're talking about everything from ACH transfers. These are the electronic transfers that move money between bank accounts. Wire transfers. These are faster, but often more expensive, transfers used for larger sums of money. Online bill payments. These are payments made through Ally's online banking platform. Zelle transactions. These are payments made through the Zelle network, which Ally supports. Each of these transaction types has its own set of rules and processing times. Now, let's focus on ACH transfers, which are perhaps the most common type of transaction. ACH transfers are processed through the Automated Clearinghouse Network, a nationwide system that handles electronic payments. This network operates on business days, so transactions initiated on weekends or holidays will be delayed. Here's a breakdown of what to expect with ACH transfers and Ally. Generally, ACH transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to process. This timeline is standard across most banks, not just Ally. The exact processing time depends on several factors, including the time of day the transfer is initiated and whether it's a debit or credit transaction. Ally, like other banks, has cutoff times for processing ACH transfers. If you initiate a transfer after the cutoff time, it won't begin processing until the next business day. It is very important to understand that the fund's availability time and the time that the transaction posts to the account can be different. Wire transfers are a different beast altogether. They're designed for faster processing, but they come with a higher price tag. Wire transfers are typically processed within the same business day, or at most, the next business day. However, the exact processing time can vary depending on the sending and receiving banks. It is vital to understand that wire transfers have fees associated with them. Online bill payments through Ally are another common type of transaction. The processing time for online bill payments depends on the payee. Some payees receive electronic payments, which are processed quickly. Others receive paper checks, which take longer to arrive. Ally provides estimated delivery dates for online bill payments, so you can track the progress of your payments. Zelle transactions are designed for instant payments between individuals. If both the sender and recipient are enrolled in Zelle, payments are typically processed within minutes. However, if the recipient is not enrolled, they will need to enroll before the payment can be completed, which can add to the processing time. Zelle transactions are designed for people you know and trust, and should not be used for purchases from unknown parties. Now, let's address some common concerns about Ally's payment processing. Some people complain that Ally's processing times are too slow. However, it's important to remember that ACH transfer processing times are largely determined by the ACH network, not by individual banks. Ally provides clear information about processing times on its website and in its mobile app. Ally's customer service team is available to answer any questions you may have about payment processing. To ensure smooth payment processing with Ally, here are some tips. Initiate transactions early in the day, before the cutoff time. Double-check the accuracy of your account numbers and payee information. Keep track of your transaction history and monitor your account balances. Understand the difference between when a transaction is initiated and when the funds are available. If you have any concerns, contact Ally's customer service team. In essence, while the perception of long is subjective, Ally's payment processing times are generally in line with industry standards. Factors like the type of transaction, the time of day, and the limitations of the underlying payment networks all play a role. It is also very important to understand the difference between Ally Bank and Ally Financial. Ally Bank deals with deposits, checking, and savings accounts. Ally Financial deals with investments and auto loans. While they are from the same company, they are different areas of service. So payments dealing with auto loans or investment accounts will have different processing times than standard bank transactions. When dealing with any financial institution, it is always best to read the fine print and understand the terms of service. By understanding these terms, you can reduce the amount of unexpected delays in your financial transactions. In conclusion, while there can be some variability in processing times, Ally strives to provide efficient payment services. By understanding the factors that influence processing times and following the tips outlined in this video, you can minimize delays and ensure smooth transactions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.